Today we're going to be looking at linear modelling. When we are conducting this type of modelling, we're wanting to find the rule linking two variables. So that might be money or cost as to hours, for example. From those variables we want to be able to sketch a graph. This graph should predict the value of one given the other variable. For example, how much will a certain service cost given the amount of hours. So in other words, if I'm giving you one value, the amount of one value, it should be able to predict the other value. And doing also that gives us finding the rate of change. Okay, so now let's look at an example of, let's say we were to have a Foxtel subscription. And let's say that they charge a flat rate of $50 per month. Now, unlike Foxtel as we know it, let's say Foxtel charge based on the amount of hours you watch the TV. So let's say that's $5 per hour. When we're talking about cost, we will abbreviate that to C. The time will be abbreviated as the small letter t. Okay, so let's sketch a graph that depicts what we've just said. So here we've got our point of origin. Let's say we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, might go one more. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So let's say that's dollars. And over here, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's say we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and this is our hours, okay, or our time. Now remember we have our y-intercept here and our y-axis and x-axis. Because here cost is these here, we're actually going to change this to say our c-intercept, but it just means the same as y-intercept. Now we know that straight off, before anything happens, that Foxtel are charging us $50 per month. So our c-intercept or y-intercept starts right here at the $50 mark. Now when we're being charged our hourly rate, which is here, it's $5 per hour. So if you look down here, I've put it in lots of 2. So therefore, every 2 hours it goes up, it's going to go up $10. So here at the 2 hour mark, goes to 60. At 4, goes to 70. 6 hours, 80. 8 hours, 90. And at 10 hours, it's $100. So we'll be able to draw our straight line. So this is linear modelling, which means that the modelling is a straight line. So this is our straight line, and that's why we can call it linear modelling. Okay, if it wasn't straight, it would be non-linear, but for this case, we're looking for linear. Now let's say we wanted to work out how much is it going to cost, okay? The cost if we had time of 3 hours. So we'll go across to our 3 hour mark, which is about there. We can go up. So we know that that's going to cost us approximately $65. Now that 65, let's go over here, is made up of our $50 monthly fee, okay, plus 3 hours, because here is 3 hours, so that is take our 3 by $5, so that would equal $65. Okay, now I'd like you to have a go at a problem and make sure you bring this answer to class. Let's say we have, you get paid $50 plus $20 per hour. Okay, and you get that paid on a daily, so you get paid this on a daily basis plus $20. I want you to tell me if you were to work, so if you were to work 6 hours in a day, how much would you get paid? So don't forget, we want to know your cost, your time, and to get you started you will need a graph, and this is your dollars and this is your hours. Okay, so you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to need some kind of money. So probably 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, etc. Tell me, you need to give me a linear line. So a linear line. Okay, and then tell me how much you're going to earn after 6 hours. How much money is that going to mean? See you in class.